citizens with non-European Seaman books ratings. For example, we have the list of Italian flag allowance endorsements. For example, always Philippines, always India, and then Ukraine. But how about families from Maghreb, Algeria, Tunis, Libya, Morocco? Why does Italy did not accept the Seaman book from these countries? Then we have also got Cuba, El Salvador, Honduras, Venezuela, Panama, Colombia, all the Latin countries, because they are much closer. Yes, Italy does accept this Filipino and India because it's very nice to open the arms to really faraway seafarers. Once these flights are not in tourist $800, but then you have to pay 10,000 euros for one flight business class because there is a war in Iran. Then they suddenly realize, well, how about Italy opening to these new countries? Now, if you are a new European, but your documents are not European, please apply within Candina, because you can get the Codice Fiscale, this is the fiscal code, and because Italy then will have to allow and think about opening to these really sons, these fathers, these family members, because we are closer. Because you have the right. I guess that now with the war, Italy is going to start thinking about, well, should we look to our family instead of too far away to Asia to give employment where our house is, where our family is? Do we have to look at Maghreb? Do we have to look at America? Why? Because it's closer. That's why Spain found first America, because it's very close. It will be closer. Why are we getting solutions in Asia? Then please apply urgently Candina. You have the wage case already with the Italian flag social security, and this is something that we need to open. Many European registries now, they are starting to endorse, like Holland endorsed Panama. Yeah, but how about Cyprus, Malta, Madeira, Spain, Panama, Venezuela, and so on? Europe needs to get their act together if that's possible. Grazie, arrivederci.